AVS students.
Good morning, Helen.
I am Helen Cooper, reporting live from Channel 6. Today's current event is about possibly the worst blizzard in the history of New York City. Snowmageddon 2015. Subways closed at 11 p.m. last night. Schools closed. No more education. Over 6,000 flights have been canceled. People are at the airport like it's a campground. Trains citywide are shut down due to this blizzard. Winds exceeding at 75 miles an hour. The city has sent out more than 1,800 snowplows. Thunder snow is expected. Thunder snow is a thunderstorm, except instead of rain, it's snow.